Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 on the Chinese server. Accessing this unique gaming environment involves specific regional requirements that differ significantly from global servers. You'll need to understand the identity verification process, which is a crucial first step. Simply using a virtual private network won't bypass these strict registration hurdles, so let's dive into the actual method. The cornerstone of playing on the Chinese server is identity verification. You absolutely need a valid Chinese national identity card to register a perfect world account. For those without one, a Chinese resident permit or the help of a trusted local friend with their own ID is typically required. This process ensures every account is tied to a real person, a key difference from other regions. Geometry Dash offers flexibility in customizing your controls to enhance your gameplay experience. Navigate to the game's options menu, usually found on the main screen, to access the control settings. Here, you can see the default keybinds and remap them to keys that feel more natural or comfortable for your hands. For example, some players prefer using the W key instead of the up arrow. Spend some time experimenting with different configurations to discover what works best for you. Finally, you're ready to play on the Chinese Dota 2 servers. Be prepared for a distinct gameplay meta and communication style that might differ from what you're used to. For the best experience, including optimal ping and stable connections, being physically located within mainland China is highly recommended. Remember to engage respectfully with the community and embrace the unique aspects of this vibrant gaming environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.